Okay, I got your plan here open in my copy of Architectural 2018. And basically what I'm going to do is take this wall here and change it to full gable. Same thing on the other side. This error message I'm not interested in. Do the same thing to the other one, full gable. Okay, now this wall here, I think it's got an improper command in it. You put it in there. Yeah, high shed gable wall. We don't need that, so I'm going to get rid of that. And the upper wall as well, which you programmed wrongly. Now, there's something wrong with the dormer, and this is the second time I've tried to do this tutorial, and the first time the visual didn't work, and the gable worked. I mean the dormer worked just fine. I guess in this tutorial I have to figure out what's wrong with the dormer now. Oh, I see. This hadn't fixed itself, and that keeps the dormer from being. Okay. Let's see what we can do about that. We did that. Let's see what's this. I'm gonna check it just to be sure. Okay, that's all right. This ought to be marked gable, and it is. And this side of the roof is okay. So I got the shed roof fixed. Now I just got this hip roof here that's unwanted. Let's just try this. I'm going to go to build roof. And I'm going to turn auto rebuild off. And we'll go to the materials here while I'm thinking about it. You got a dark stain here for the roof. You also have to set it for the ridge cap, so you don't want a different material there. We go to oh, we don't have plan materials in I see. I'll have to go to build roof. Build roof. Go to materials and set it here on the ridge cap. This is dark stain. And we'll find that dark stain thing here. Probably over here that makes the dialogue a little bit bigger. I don't see dark stain there. There it is, dark stain. Okay. I take another look. Okay, it looks a little bit better, except for still got this hip roof here. I'm just going to move the dormer a little bit and see if I can't get it to. Well, with that hip roof there, the dormer won't look right. Let me check this again. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Ah, that's supposed to be checked. And in this case, on both floors. I think that fixed it. Yeah, okay, that fixed it. See, that brought the dormer back, and that's, as I recall, looks like the picture of your house. Okay, well, thanks for watching. that's it in terms of the tutorial.